Your coworker, Pete, has been working like a dog on his report. Every time you walk by his desk, he's buried in research. And he's been working nights and weekends. So this report may just earn him a big promotion. Now that Pete's report is finished, do you A. Congratulate your colleague for a job well done and try not to be jealous of his promotion? B. Swipe the document off the printer so you can copy it into your own report and benefit from Pete's hard work. C. Steal the file off the network as soon as Pete uploads it, claim it as your own, and ask for a big fat raise. Who cares if Pete doesn't get the credit? Copyright laws were created to protect the creators of content and software and other intellectual property. The creator not only owns that work, he's entitled to reap the rewards of his hard work and originality. Stealing or copying content cheats the rightful owner out of his benefits. Quite simply, it's not fair. Before taking someone else's work, think how you would feel if someone stole your material. So don't copy other people's material without permission.
Copyright, in a way, is a form of property, and people who create property should be getting paid for that which they create.
All copyrighted content, online or printed, is legally protected. What does that mean to you?
The framers of the Constitution decided people could earn a living by being authors, and so they didn't necessarily think about computer programs. Back then, they thought about books and maps. But they made the decision that by giving Congress the power to grant exclusive rights to authors, that they could incentivize authors to make their living as authors, and those rights could be transferred to publishers and other disseminators of works for the benefit of the American public.
Books, magazines, newspapers, newsletters, websites, blogs, software, and photography are all copyrighted. Copying or distributing these materials without permission hurts the economy and can have serious repercussions for you and your company.
Copyright industries are increasingly contributing positively to our gross national product. We have facilities in about 20 states in the United States, 39 countries overseas, all of which redounds into investments that come back into the United States, for which we pay taxes, we employ people. All of that will disappear if our copyright is not respected and we end up not being able to produce because it's theft and we're getting ripped off.
How can you tell if the material you're interested in is copyrighted? Assume that virtually all content is copyrighted, including software, whether it has a copyright symbol or not. Fortunately, by following a few simple steps, you can easily get access to copyrighted materials without putting your company at risk.
If you're in an organization that has a librarian, they should be able to help you get the appropriate authorization. The important thing, though, is simply getting the permission. You can't simply say, well, it's a hassle to get it, so I'm not going to do it. Because if you say that, you're on the brink of big trouble.
Give credit where credit is due. Respect all copyrights and ask before you act. For detailed instructions on obtaining permissions, talk to your company's copyright materials manager or visit www.askbeforeyouact.com.